Good morning, students. Once again, a very warm welcome to the English world of Aradhya. Myself, Rashmin sir, imparting the knowledge of English to the students of 9 to 12 standard in English medium. Students, as you know, in my previous videos, we have seen the first lesson from supplementary book, that is Vistas. The title of the lesson is The Third Level. Now here we have come across one particular character, Charlie. What he is doing in the lesson so far we have learned, he is trying to run away from the harsh reality of the world. Okay, this modern world is full of insecurity, fear, worries, okay, stress, tension, and it seems that he tries to run away from that. He tries to escape from that. There are different ways the people can escape from the harsh realities of the world. Okay, they can go for some extra activities, they can go for some hobbies, or they can still divert their attention by going to see a movie. But here Charlie just creates a world of his own imagination, and that's why in the beginning only it is said that when all the presidents of different railway stations, they pledge, they swear on the stack of timetables that there is no such place as third level, Charlie says that it is there. So he goes to his friend Sam and he tells him everything. So Sam says that it is what? Nothing but your daydreaming. Okay, there is no such place as those people say. But later on he tells them in detail what all things happened at this particular place. So he just goes to that station. He says that there are different staircases which are taking you to the first level, then second level, and still if you go ahead, you will find third level. But third level doesn't exist at all, students. It is what? A subway. So that particular day Charlie went to that third level because he got late in the office and he wanted to reach his apartment. So he thought that this subway is faster than the bus. So he went to that particular place. And later on he says that whenever I come to this place, I find the third level just growing, Grand Central growing like a tree. Okay, every time he finds something new. So this time he goes to the third level and he finds over there the people wearing the old styled clothes, having the old types of mustaches. Okay, women also wearing old styled clothes. Okay, he also sees one newsboy selling the newspaper. The title of the newspaper was The World. Okay, now the world got closed many years ago. So all these things, after noticing all these things, he finds that he is surely in the world of 100 years ago. Presently he was in 1990s and he finds himself in the world of 1890s. Okay, so later on he also says that he found himself, when he checked the date of the newspaper, it was June 11, 1894. So that's why he says that First World War was still 20 years ahead, and Second World War it would be more than 40 years. Understood? So he imagines, he combines the fantasy with reality. Okay, he is in 1990s and he is seeing the events of the past. So from that he makes his calculation. If he finds himself in the 1894, then the First World War took place in 1914. So 20 years still are to go. And for Second World War, 1939, still more than 40 years are to go. So that's why he finds himself a bit confused. Then he goes to the ticket window over there because he thinks that from this particular place you can go to the Galesburg, Illinois, and this particular place you can go to any places in America. So he wants to buy two tickets, one for himself and one for his wife Louisa. Okay, but when he goes over there and demands two tickets, the clerk is looking at him very curiously. Okay, clerk thinks that this fellow is trying to cheat me by giving the different types of currency. Now the currency notes of that time also were very big, and our Charlie has only modern styled money. So those money was not valid at that time. Okay, so the clerk says that no, this money, if you are trying to cheat me, I'll hand you over to the police. And finally says that jails were not good even at that time. So that's where we had stopped. Now we will see what happens to him. Does he find the old style currency? Does he get those two tickets, one for him and one for his wife, and what happens to him. All those things we will see in this particular video, students. And that was that. I left the same way I came because he did not have the old style currency, so he had to come back. And after that, what happens? I suppose next day during lunch hour, I drew $300 out of the bank, nearly all we had. So all in his account only that much money was there, 300. He took it out and bought old style currency. That really worried my psychiatrist friend. Okay, you wanted to go to that place, so you took out all your new styled money and from that you purchased the old style currency. Okay, you can buy old money at almost any coin dealers, but you have to pay a premium. Okay, so old style money, if you go to buy, you'll have to pay more money for that. That money's value may be less than the present money. Okay, the present time, that's why you might find some old people talking that हमारे टाइम में एक आने में 1 किलो चावल मिलते थे, एक आने में 2 किलो सब्जी मिलती थी. अब एक आना doesn't exist only. Right now our minimum money is what? 50 paise, and 50 paise also rounded figure is 1 rupee. So we can say 1 rupee is the least money in the present currency. Okay, and in our father's time, grandfather's time, you see they had this one ana, ek ana, do ana. Students, when I was studying, we used to spend only 20 paise at the most. We have seen those small coins, 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise, 25 paise. Okay, a boy who is rich enough only would go for spending 25 paise. In our childhood, we at the most spent only 20 paise at the most. Otherwise, you would be satisfied with 5 paise, and 5 paise would bring us many other things, chocolates, biscuits, and many such things. But now, if you go to buy same thing in present, you will require at least 5 rupees because everything is now sold in pouch. The pouch minimum 5 rupees का तो होता ही है. Understood? So students, you see the old style money, if you go to purchase, then they will take extra charge for that because they are now rare money. They are considered as antique thing. So for antique thing normally they charge high. Okay. So यहाँ उसको कितने मिले देखते हैं. My $300 bought less than 200 in old style bills. See, he spent out all his $300 and he got less than 200. Okay, old style bills. But I didn't care. Eggs were 13 cents a dozen in 1894. 1894 में 1 सेंट के बोले 13 सेंट्स के 1 डजन अंडे आते थे. Okay, eggs were 13 cents a dozen. But I have never again found the corridor that leads to the 3rd level at Grand Central Station, although I have tried often enough. Okay, now he wants to go to that particular place, 3rd level, and he says that with that old currency he tried many times, but then also he did not find it. Okay, because that was his one time imagination place. One time he imagined that there would be like this place, and now he again wanted to go over there. So when he came out from that imagination, okay, it was fresh in his memory that if I want to go to that place again, I would require what? The old style bills. So he purchased the old style money. But after that, in spite of many attempts, he could not reach that place, the 3rd level. Here he accepts that. Okay, but I have never again found the corridor that leads to the 3rd level at Grand Central Station, although I have tried often enough. It's not that after one try he stopped. He tried many times, then also he could not reach that particular corridor which was leading him to the 3rd level. Understood? Louisa was pretty worried when I told her all this and didn't want me to look for 3rd level anymore. So wife feels a bit worried. Okay, anybody would be worried. Your family members would be worried when you live in the world of your imagination. Okay, just last year or so, when this PUBG game people were playing. Okay, I had seen one video, students. In that, one boy, he would just get ready the way this military people are. Okay, he had the entire military dress. Okay, and he would have a gun in his hand, and that video came to me that boy is going and somebody is asking, where are you going, how many have you killed? Then he would answer, I have killed 100 people, I am still searching other people. So that was what the effect of PUBG. So he is also over there just creating his surrealistic world. So students, here the wife did not want him to live in like this imaginary world. Wife wanted him to live in the real world. Okay, that's why wife was worried, Louisa was worried. Okay, and after a while I stopped. Okay, थोड़ी देर के बाद मैंने ये बंद कर दिया. I went back to my stamps. Now what activity he takes up? Instead of going into his imaginary world, he takes up the activity of stamp collection. Okay, but now we were both looking every weekend, because now we have proof that the third level is still there. Okay, what is that? My friend Sam Weiner disappeared. उसका फ्रेंड ही डिसअपियर्ड हो गया. Nobody knew where, but I sort of suspected because Sam's a city boy. मैंने ये थोड़ी शंका की, क्योंकि सैम आफ्टर ऑल क्या है, सैम सिटी बॉय है, सिटी का रहने वाला. ओके, एंड आई यूज टू टेल हिम अबाउट गेल्सबर्ग. मैं उसको गेल्सबर्ग के बारे में बोलता रहता था. आई वेंट टू द स्कूल देयर एंड ही ऑलवेज सेड ही लाइक द साउंड ऑफ द प्लेस, and that is where he is all right in 1894. Now he says that his friend also is living in that world of 1894, same, because I told him so many times about all this. Okay, because one night fussing with my stamp collection I found, well, do you know what a first day cover is? So now here he will make it clear about the first day cover. The first day cover, students, is nothing but whenever any new stamp was introduced, so people just those who are collecting the stamps, just to get that stamp, they would only post one envelope to themselves only, so the letter would come back to them only, students. Okay, they would post a letter. Inside the envelope they would not keep anything. Okay, that letter, but empty letter, nothing was written over there. So that cover they would preserve as the first day cover, students. But here in Sam's condition it is different. We will see what is different over there. Okay, I found, well, do you know what a first day cover is? When a new stamp is issued, stamp collectors buy some and use them to mail them envelopes to themselves on the very first day of the sale. तो पहले दिन ही जब नई स्टैम्प्स बाहर आती है तब ये लोग ये स्टैम्प्स खरीदेंगे और वो एनवेलप के चिपका के अपने को ही पोस्ट करेंगे. सो दे वुड गो एंड ड्रॉप इन द पोस्ट बॉक्स. ओके, एंड देन द पोस्टमैन विल मेक द डिलीवरी टू देयर एड्रेस ओनली. ओके, एंड द पोस्टमार्क प्रूव्स द डेट. जो पोस्ट में जाके मैनी ऑफ यू माइट क्वेश्चन कि सर वो खरीद के अपने पास ही नहीं रख दे, तो अपने पास रखते हैं. So there is no proof that this ticket was issued on a particular day. Understood? But when it goes to the post office, post people will put the stamp over there, stamp mentioning the date. ये date का ये letter है. So that way it will be a proof. और stamp is normally put on the stamp. Okay? ये post ticket है, उसके ऊपर ही उनका stamp लगता है ताकि it cannot be reused. समझ में आया? सो दैट स्टैम्प मेंशनिंग द डेट इज अ प्रूफ दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टैम्प वॉज, पर्टिकुलर पोस्ट टिकट वॉज पब्लिश्ड ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर डे. अंडरस्टूड? तो ऐसा वो लोग करते थे. एंड द एनवेलप इज कॉल्ड अ फर्स्ट डे कवर. सो दिस एनवेलप इज नोन एज फर्स्ट डे कवर. अंडरस्टूड? एंड दिस विल बी डन ओनली बाय द स्टैम्प कलेक्टर्स. दे आर नेवर ओपनड. ये लोग कभी खोलते नहीं है क्योंकि उन्होंने पता है कि उन्होंने ही लिखा है और अंदर कुछ रखा नहीं है, तो फिर खोलने की क्या जरूरत है. अंडरस्टूड? यू जस्ट पुट ब्लैंक पेपर इन द एनवेलप. ये सबको पता है उन्होंने अंदर क्या कुछ लिखा नहीं है. दे हैव जस्ट पुट अ ब्लैंक पेपर. सो व्हाई टू ओपन इट? सो दे वुड कीप इट इंटैक्ट. That night, among my oldest first day covers, I found one that shouldn't have been there. तब मुझे एक दूसरा कवर मिला ओल्ड टाइप का, वो वहां नहीं होना चाहिए, फिर भी था. But there it was. It was there because someone had mailed it to my grandfather at his home in Galesburg. So see, earlier he said that he wanted to go to Galesburg, Illinois. Okay, when he reached the third level, from third level he wanted to go to Galesburg, Illinois. What was the reason? उसको वहाँ ही क्यों जाना था? He says that from there you can go to any part of America, but he wanted to go over there only. Why? The reason is over here, because his grandfather was staying at the Galesburg, Illinois, and that's why he wanted to go to Galesburg, Illinois. So here somebody had mailed that first day cover to his grandfather at his home in Galesburg. That is what the address on the envelope said, and it had been there since July 18, 1894. So somebody had written this particular envelope on July 18, 1894. So again it is the matter of past. समझ में आया? पास्ट की बात है. द पोस्टमार्क शोड दैट, बिकॉज ऑन पोस्टमार्क दैट डेट इज प्रिंटेड, सो दैट्स वाई ही वॉज श्योर कि ये देखो 1894 का लिखा हुआ है, 18 जुलाई को. येट आई डिडंट रिमेंबर इट एट ऑल. द स्टैम्प वॉज अ 6 cent. यू नो ही अर्लियर ऑल्सो टोल्ड कि 13 cents यू वुड गेट 1 dozen eggs. क्यों? पुराना टाइम है तो कम पैसों में बहुत कुछ आता था. सो हियर द वैल्यू ऑफ द पोस्ट ticket was 6 cent. Dull brown with a picture of President Garfield. Now on that particular stamp there was a picture of President Garfield. On the newspaper there was a picture of President Cleveland. Understood? So यहाँ Garfield नए प्रेसिडेंट की टिकट थी वहाँ. Naturally, when the envelope came to granddad in the mail, it went right into his collection and stayed there. तो बोले ये ग्रैंडफादर के पास आया होगा तो उन्होंने भी ये क्या कर लिया होगा, ये उन्होंने संग्रह कर लिया होगा, बिकॉज ही वॉज ऑल्सो अ स्टैम्प कलेक्टर. सो ही मस्ट हैव कलेक्टेड दिस particular envelope till I took it out and opened it. Now Charlie grew more interested कि let me see inside whether there is a blank paper or something else. So it was good that he checked. Normally people would not check because all of them had the idea that what they kept inside only blank paper. But here he checked because it was written by somebody to his granddad. That's why he checked. कि किसी ने भेजा है, खुद ने भेजा है तो पता है क्या लिखा है, पर किसी और ने भेजा है, फर्स्ट डे कवर है, भले किसी और ने भेजा है तो हमको पता चलना चाहिए कि भाई इसमें क्या है. अंडरस्टूड? सो स्टूडेंट्स, दैट्स व्हाई ही नाउ लुक्स इनटू दैट. ही ओपन्ड द एनवेलप. Naturally, when the envelope came to granddad in the mail, it went right into his collection and stayed there till I took it out and opened. So Charlie was intelligent enough. Charlie knew that it was not written by granddad, it was written by someone else. So someone else must have written something. It should not be a blank paper. So that's why he took it out and opened it. The paper inside wasn't blank. Now that was a great surprise. Normally all the first day covers had a blank paper inside, but here the paper inside was not blank. Something was written over there. What is that something, students? That we will see in my next video. So till that time, stay fit, stay fine, have a good day.